I'm gonna make some of these treats. Always make them during Christmas. I know they're all over YouTube, but I'm gonna make these and show you how they're made. You gotta use this type of pretzel right here. And also, you gotta buy some hugs. Also, I'll use a variety of peanut M&Ms and M&Ms. Now I'll go ahead and show you how these are put together. And they don't last long around here. First thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and put my pretzels on this parchment paper. Now you'll take this little hug. It's like a Hershey's Kiss. Once you unwrap it, this is what it looks like. Go ahead and put one of these on each one of these. Make sure you don't get these too close together because you don't want them to melt on top of one another. While you're putting your hugs together and everything, go ahead and preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Now if the hugs are all on the pretzels, go back and make sure that they're pretty well centered on your pretzel. This one here, just kind of move them over. Now I'll go ahead and throw them in the oven after I make sure it's at 200 degrees for 7 minutes. And in 7 minutes, I'll pull it back out. Okay, now just before you pull these out of the oven, you want to put it on like a towel or something on your table because the pan is going to be hot. Okay, now that we've pulled them out, you want to take the M&Ms or your peanut M&Ms, and you want to just kind of, whoop, you want to hold on to it and just kind of mash it down on top of there like that, on each one of them. Just kind of set it on there because these are really soft right now, and you just want it to kind of sit on there and stick to it. And I'll do the M&Ms as well. And I want to show you, watch when I drop this peanut M&M on there. See, it just keeps pushing down on it. Here's another one just to give you a demonstration. It just mashes on down and the peanut's not that heavy. Okay, that one's filled up. Now I'll set them aside and let them cool off until they harden. You can also slide them in the fridge and let them cool off a little quicker, but these won't last long around here. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.